everyone, iAppleTuber here. In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how to install iOS 15 beta for free on your iPhone, iPad. Absolutely no cost, very simple. Let's get to the video, let's get started. So what I want you guys to do is go to the description, click on the first link, it will take you right here. Make sure to open it in Safari. The website is called betaprofiles.com. Once you're there, as you can see, we want to click on iOS 15 because we're on the iPhone. If you're on the iPad, you can also click on iPadOS 15. So let's click on iOS 15 right there. Now this will load. What you want to do is very simple. You want to click on Install Profile. You do not want to click on IPSW. You want to click on Install Profile. Once you do that, it will tell you that this is a beta profile, and then you need to back your device. If you have a backup, if you have iCloud, you're sorted. If you have a backup on your computer, you're also sorted. And if you don't really care about a backup, you just want to get iOS 15, just click on install anyways. Once you do that, just give it a few moments, this will load. The website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you allow it? Click on allow. Very simple, and close. Once there, back out of here and go to your settings. Then go to general. Scroll down till you see profile, and right there, as you can see, iOS 15 beta profile. Click on it, and once here, you want to make sure that it's verified. As you can see, it's verified. Click on install, and you want to enter your device passcode. Let's go and do that. Once you do that, this will pop up. You want to click on install once again and install. Once you do that, it will ask you for a restart if you want it to apply. If you don't want it to apply, you click on not now, but if you want to apply it, click on restart. And that's it right there. When you allow your phone to restart, it will pop back up. It might take around 10 minutes to successfully install based on your internet speed, and then if you go to your settings it will show that you're on iOS 15. For this video, I've decided not to go with iOS 15. I'm still going to keep my iOS 14, but if you're interested, definitely go ahead and get iOS 15 beta 1. And also keep in mind, every time that there's an update, you just want to go through the same procedure, your normal procedure, which is general software update. It will update the betas, which is perfect. But that's it, guys. With today's video, I just wanted to show you a very quick and simple method on how to get iOS 15 for free without needing any sort of payment. So if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to leave a like as well. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and have your notifications on so you don't miss the videos. Have a good day, everyone. Peace out.